Hey traders, this is the watch list video for Monday, November 14th. The SPY had a gap up and another strong day. Pretty impressive two-day rally in the SPY. This weekend I made a video called, Day Trade Entry Ideas explained in detail for, I list some symbols, DWAC, RUN, TTD, Amazon, and DOCS, DOCS. If you like that, it's on my YouTube channel. If you like it, let me know. I may do that on kind of a regular thing on Saturday mornings to recap some trades, but not, again, as I say in the video, not a look what we did, but look why we took this entry, right? Look why this entry made sense for a few different reasons. Trying to be more educational, so let me know if you like the video, if you see the tweet about it, retweet it, and I may become a Saturday morning thing for me. We'll see. Before I get into the watch list video for Monday, just a quick reminder what we do here. And this is, I know most of you already know this, but I'll just leave it up there for a little bit and let you read it. But I always try to remember that today could be the first day somebody ever found my videos, right? So just a quick heads up. It's all about making money between the bells, day trading, don't hold overnight. None of this is investment advice, all that stuff, right? All right, so anyway, let's get to it. I'll start with DOCX. By the way, really nice call in chat on Friday by Kevin P. back through 31. And I do explain that in that other YouTube video, so I won't do it now. But nice breakout in DOCX. Definitely going to watch it on Monday to see if there's any kind of follow-through setup. DWAC had the big rip, came back down to the buy zone. This is the daily, and now curling back up. It's been acting pretty well lately. So I definitely want to keep my eye on that one. HUDI is one bizarre daily chart, right? Had this crazy two-day run all the way up to what, 100 and almost 193, and then did this. But we had it on Bounce Watch on Friday, and I'll zoom in a little bit. I know some of you took a Tokyo entry right here, and you know what? Let me just go to the intraday now. I know some of you took the early high was right here. 880. I pointed out the volume right here. I think Wayne said he caught it at 875, and then you got the high of day break, a flag, and then another. And by the way, the flag topped out right at 950, so some of you may also got through that 950 break. Anyway, when you look at the daily, you're thinking, why is this on watch? But then you could also argue, hey, this is the biggest volume day ever, and a strong move, even though it doesn't look like it because everything's compressed because of this crazy move. But, maybe 10-minute candles. You can get kind of a feel for the nice move, right? From basically $8 to 11.44. Anyone would take that kind of a move, right? That's a huge move, actually, percentage-wise. So we're certainly going to keep it on watch. Again, back to the weird daily. We're definitely going to keep it on watch for a trade or trades this week. PIXY, only 836,000 traded, but it went out at the highs. And if you look, 50,000 of that came in the final minute. This actually went to like 28, I think, in after hours. Not that it should have. But with that kind of action, we're going to put Pixie on watch. Very thin stock, so make sure we see some volume before we'll even mess with it, assuming it gives an A+ setup. COMP, big volume day, closing well off its highs. Definitely going to keep that one on watch. CVNA, a lot of shorts in the names. Carvana, used car market basically. Which is apparently getting slammed, but it is starting to curl back up. It bottomed the other day at 650, so it's already basically almost doubled from there, almost, right? But I do want to keep an eye on it. I think this might have some more in it. It's not, I don't look at the chart and go, hey, this is a great chart setup, but it's really beaten up, so maybe a follow-through day tomorrow, we'll see. Tilray, TLRY, I'm going to keep this pot stock, keep it on watch. It's kind of coiling and trying to break to the upside. GCT, kind of my sleeper pick. About a week ago, traded 33 million shares, and you see what it did after the IPO, right? Anyway, traded 33 million shares, popped to 748, and is curling back up here. Thursday's high, 659, and Friday's high, 650. So, maybe we get a break of 650, then we've got Thursday's high as a catalyst, and maybe we make a run to this 750-ish area. And it's had, it's a Chinese stock, and those have been pretty strong. So let's keep our eyes on GCT, KALA, another kind of sleeper pick that very similar to GCT, had a big spike a few days ago, topped out at 779. And then yesterday, or I'm sorry, Friday hit 772. Zoom in a little bit. So it is kind of interesting with the volume, which would have been Wednesday, and curling back up. I definitely think it could be a sleeper pick. CALM, let me pan out a little bit on Bounce Watch. I don't have the 200-day on this chart, but the 200-day is about 51.76. So for me, and you see it kind of had a bounce right here on September 1st off of 52. What I'd like to see is another sell-off in the morning, take out 52 and maybe hit that 51.76 area, the 200-day, and maybe look for a chart setup for a reversal on an intraday basis, looking for a bounce play there. And then RYAN, if I pan out, you'll see this thing gap down and really is right at support now. This $34 area bounced off of it, here, and here. So we're going to keep our eyes on this for a potential bounce. And that's it. That's all I've got on watch. We'll add gappers in the pre-market as we always do. And we'll see everybody in the chat room on Monday.